Okay, it's time. Get ready. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, this is awesome. Coming your way again with another impactful edition so that you can move from stage one to the next level of life. And this is one video you don't have to joke with. Today, we are looking at how smart people use AI to make money. Yes, money is very important. You can't do anything without money. So today we want to look at how can you leverage on AI to make money. Come closer, get your writing materials, move away from distraction because we want to do something very important. Note this. Right now, the world is splitting into two groups. Yes, you may not have noticed this. Group 1 and Group 2. And the gap between them is widening every single day. Even today, as you are watching this video, these two set of people, the gap is widening, and there is nothing you can do about that. So, Group 1 is paralyzed by fear. I don't know whether you belong to this group. They are watching artificial intelligence evolve, worrying about their jobs, their incomes, and their relevance are about to be wiped away. That is their worries. They are thinking whether AI will take their jobs. They are worrying about what will happen to their income if their job is no more there. And the more they worry, they also think that they will not be relevant again. So their relevance is going to be wiped away by what? Not their enemy, not someone from the village, by AI. They complain about stagnations, and but they do not do anything to upgrade themselves. That is where the problem lies. They don't do anything to upgrade themselves so that they can match up with the evolving world of AI. You can't stop. AI has come to stay. Group 2. This is the group. I don't know whether you also belong to this group. Is quietly building wealth. Yes, they aren't smarter than you that is in Group 1. They don't have a genetic advantage. They born them as they born you. They go to the same school with you. They live in the same environment with you. They have simple realize one profound truth. That is what set them free. They just realize this truth, and that is what set them free. AI is not here to replace you, it is here to multiply you. That is the understanding they have. That even though people are talking about AI, even though AI has come to stay, it will not replace them. Rather, they will use AI to multiply themselves. Which group do you belong to? Think deeply. Okay, in this video, we are doing a complete reality reset. Yes, reality reset. I am going to show you exactly how high achievers are using AI right now to engineer friction out of their lives, multiply their output, and generate serious income. These are people that belong to Group 2. How do they use AI to engineer their friction? How do they use AI to provide solutions, solve problems, and become stupendously rich because their daily income has multiplied? This isn't about lazy shortcuts. No, I'm not talking about shortcuts here. It's about strategic leverage. Say leverage. Write somewhere there. Right there, leverage. It's about leverage. So by the end of this masterclass, I call it masterclass, you will have a clear, actionable blueprints to stop competing at the bottom and start commanding values at the top. Do you hear that? You will get a blueprint about how you can use AI to make money for you to start commanding at that level. Start finding your top at that level, not trying to compete at the bottom. You were not meant to be at the bottom. Let us go. Are you ready? Yes, let's move on. If you are ready, I am ready. Let's roll. We are going to look at these in three phases. Yes, phase number one is the mindset resets and the multiplier effect. You cannot do anything that is different from your mindset. So everything starts with the mind. Everything that you are doing, even this video you are watching now, starts with the mind. You get that? So before we talk about the money, Before we talk about how you get money, how you use AI, we have to talk about the mind, because the mind is the tower. The mind is a central processing unit that controls your activity, your actions and inaction is powered by your mind. So you cannot deploy advanced tactics with an outdated mindset. Most people view AI as a search engine, a slightly smarter way to do what? To find information, ask questions, and they answer you. That is what you do, especially when you go to ChatGPT. You have small question, you go and ask, and the proper solution, it gives you answer, and you run. Or somebody asks you, have you been using AI? Say, yes, I use AI every day. What do you use it for? That is a poverty mindset. Note this. Smart people view AI as a cognitive intern. It's like you going to a company for internship. You go to sharpen your skill. You go there to learn practical way. You go there to build something. You go there to upgrade your knowledge. That is what most people are seeing AI to be. And these belong to group two. Do not forget. This set of people, they belong to what? To the group two that we mentioned the last time. Look at this. A few years ago, if you wanted to launch a high ticket mentorship community or a professional media channel, you know what you do? You needed a team. You need to gather people together to get this done. Today, if you know how to direct the AI, you are the team. I mean, you are the team. You don't need 5 people, you don't need 3 people, you don't need 10 people. You are the team. So the money is made in the translation of idea into tangible asset. That is where you make money using the AI. If you can use the AI to build an asset, transfer the ideas that you have into tangible assets, into a system, it will print money for you. So smart people are using AI today to generate high cinematic visual assets for businesses that desperately need branding but can't afford a traditional agency. If a small business now or a company need branding, there are a lot of things involved, and they need to consult a branding company or a media company to help them, and they have to pay so much money. One person can sit down and do that in less minutes. They are turning hours of heavy lifting into minutes of fine tuning. What do you just do? You get the idea, you write the prompt. If it doesn't give you what you want, you tweak it, you keep tweaking it, you get results. And before you know, within minutes, you get what you want. That is the wonders of what AI. That is phase one. In phase two, we look at the friction engineering as a service. What do we call this? Now, let's talk about how the money actually changes hands. In this aspect that we're talking about friction engineering as a service, the fundamental rules of economics is that money flows to person who solves problems. So friction day is a problem. Friction day is the challenge, is the difficult that you have, and you, with the knowledge of AI, you provide a service to solve that problem so that money can come to you. The money they pay you is they pay you for the time they're supposed to spend, go search for solutions, but you have sat down to leverage on that gap and provide solutions, and for that reason they get solutions and you get the money. So I call this friction engineering. Where there is friction, where things are slow, frustrations, inefficiency, there is cash waiting to be collected. Yes. So where you see problems abound, there is money in that place. So you need to go and get it. So smart individuals are walking into local businesses, analyzing their bottlenecks, and offering AI-driven solutions. Think about content creation. You walk into a company, into small business, and you identify their problems. You know what, you analyze it, you fine tune, get the solutions and present to them. They buy the idea, they pay you, you provide a service, and they pay you the money. You move to another one. Every business knows they need to put out high quality content out there, but creating the content is a problem. So this is your entry point. Your AI to research for their target audience. You use your AI to identify their deepest pain points. You use the AI to outline a monthly worth of highly engaging retention and video scripts. AI will do this within seconds, within minutes for you. Use AI to generate the thumbnails, use AI to write the copy for them, use AI to provide the selling script for them. So you are selling them their time back when AI is there as your personal assistant. expert one for that matter. So you are selling clarity and customers acquisition. You package that and you charge a premium price, and they will be willing to pay because this certainly will provide result. This certainly you have lifted the challenges from their head, the headache from their head, the confusion from their head, and you provide the solution to them. They will be very happy to pay you and you get money. That is the wonders of AI. So you move from that one, we move to phase 3. So what is phase 3? Is building digital real estate and scalable income. This is what AI will do for you. The ultimate goal isn't just to trade your AI skill for an hourly rate. Yes, somebody may want to pay you hourly, somebody may just want to pay you for a week and all that. So the thing is not for you to work at that level. No, if you work at that level, you may not have the income that you so desire. The smartest players use AI to build digital real estate assets that generate revenue while they sleep. This is what AI can do for you. While you are sleeping, the AI is minting money online for you. So this is how you completely upgrade your life in 2026 and beyond. If you think this is difficult, AI will tell you it is very simple. So let's say that you have a unique framework for personal development. Instead of coaching them one-on-one and get burnout, you use AI to help you structure a comprehensive automated program that you just plug and play. You do it once and that is all. So you use it to draft your daily curriculum. You use it to build out a marketing funnels that invite people into your group. You use it to write compelling newsletters and design a world-class promotional materials. Yes, AI will help you to do that, all while working a fraction of the time you would have used before now to produce this and work with teams. So the barrier for building a massive, impactful brand is lower than it has ever been in the human history. So before now, if you want to set up a business, write funnel, set up funnel and do this, it will take the whole week or month or whatever. You can sit down and do this within hours, within few hours, within minutes. This can be done. It has never happened like this in human history. So the only thing standing in your way is your willingness to do what, to master the tool. So that is why you need to sit up, identify the tools you want to master, and go all out and be intentionally putting work to learn it. If you do this, your life will change. We have covered a lot today. We talked about breaking the poverty mindset, which is very important, engineering the frictions and providing that services, which is very important, and building scalable digital asset. This is doable. But none of this matters if you close this tab and go back to your old routine. None of this will matter. Knowledge without execution is just entertainment. And I'm not here to entertain you. You see music, you see band, you see anything here. No, I am not here for entertainment. I'm here to give you knowledge. I'm here to encourage you to implement the knowledge. And I have simplified. It is as simple as ABC. AI will help you to do the work. It's just for you to be intentional about to sit down and do it. And we are not here to be entertained. Yes, we are here to become high achievers. That is what you will become. So you have a choice to make today. You can let the wave of technology crash over you, or you can learn to solve it. Which one do you choose? Yes, start small. Pick one AI tool tonight. Spend 30 minutes learning how to prompt it to solve a specific problem that you are facing right now. Break out of stagnation. It is not good to remain there. You have the license to grow. So I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies we talk about today are you going to implement? Are you going to focus on building the assets, or are you going to use AI to solve problems for clients? Drop your answer in the comments. I read them all and I want to see your game plan. Yes, I want to see it and know that you have taken action. If this video shifts your perspective and give you real actionable value, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. We are building a community of people dedicated to master the skill that actually matter in this 21st century, in this economy. Keep pushing, keep upgrading, and I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to share this video so that your friends, other people can see it and they can watch it and they can learn. It can also help them. Push on the notification button so that when next I drop again, you will be among the first to watch. Sometimes it's good to take it while it is very hot. You hear that? Ja.